Did you know that over 80% of data analysis involves combining data from multiple tables? Hi there, SQL enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to unravel the secrets of joining multiple tables in SQL. This essential skill can transform your data queries and open a world of insights. So let's dive in. First, let's understand what joining multiple tables means and where it can be used. In real-world databases, data is often spread across multiple tables. For instance, in a school database, you might have separate tables for students, courses, and enrollments. To get meaningful insights, like which students are enrolled in which courses, you need to join these tables together. Now let's jump straight into it with a practical example. We have 3 tables: book, authors, and editors. Links to these datasets are provided in the description below. We will quickly import all the 3 tables in our MySQL workbench. Our goal here is to find out detailed information about books, including their authors and editors. But before that, let's look at the column names of all the 3 tables, using the select statement with asterisk, from table's name, and then run the query. We will do the same thing for the other 2 tables as well. Now, since we have everything ready, let's start writing the query. Suppose we want to have detailed information about all books along with their author's and editor's name. So to achieve this, we'll perform a multi-table join. Let's see how we can write the query for this. First, we will write the select statement along with the required columns as shown. Then in the from statement, we will write the table name. After that, first, we'll join the book and author's tables on the author ID column. Then, we'll join this result with the editor's table on the editor ID column afterwards. Let's see step by step how to do it. Then we will write join clause with the table name, that is author's table, and give it alias. Then we will write on and the column of the 2 tables on which we are joining. Run this part of the code and see the output. This query gives us a list of books along with their authors' names, but we also need details about the editors, so we join the result with the editor's table as well. Now let's see how we can do the complete query to join all 3 tables. In the same query, we will continue by writing the column names from editor's table that we want in the output. Then write join clause again with the other table name. Here it is editor's table. Give it an alias, then write on, and then the column names from both tables on which you are joining. Here it is b.editorid equal to e.editorid. Now I'll run this query and you can see your desired result. This query combines the book, authors, and editors tables to provide a comprehensive view of books along with their authors and editors. And that's how you join multiple tables in SQL. This is just an example where we join 3 tables, but you can join any number of tables like this to get the desired output. These multiple joins are very useful while fetching desired data from datasets. By mastering this technique, you can handle complex data retrieval tasks and generate valuable insights from your databases. Multiple types of joins are used in scenarios such as combining customer and order information to understand purchasing behavior, merging data from different departments like HR and payroll to analyze employee compensation, integrating sales and product data to get insights into product performance, and many more. Next in SQL tutorial playlist, we will be learning about equi and non-equi joins in SQL. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.